AMERFIST Flying Ball Toys, Magic Nebula Orb, Globe-Shaped Magic Controller Mini Drone, RGB Light Spinner 360 Rotating Spinning UFO Safe for Kids Adults, Blue. High-tech hand-controlled drone with cool RGB light. The Flying Orb toy provides intelligent flight. Flying Toy Ball Infrared Induction RC Flying Toy Built-in LED Light Disco Helicopter Shining Colorful Flying Drone Indoor and Outdoor Games Toys for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10-year-old boys and girls. Inductive Suspension Flying Toy. There are induction launcher and induction receiver at the bottom of the ball. When you turn on the switch, it will light on brilliantly. The flying ball can sense the objects around it and move intelligently. Features: hovers up to 15 feet, colorful LED lights, USB charging, lightweight. Easy to control, wireless remote control operation. When the ball is in the air, you can press the button on the remote control to decide turning on or off. AMENON 3-pack Flying Ball Toys Kids Holiday Christmas Gifts for Boys Girls 6 to 14 years. Christmas Stocking Stuffers Light-up Hand-Operated Drones Hover Ball Recharge Helicopter with Remote Controller. Control by gestures or remote control. Operate easily, control by gestures. Switched on, it will light on and automatically begin to fly in 2 or 3 seconds. When the flying ball flies up, you should put your hand underneath the flying ball to control its flying, or use the remote controller. Press the remote control switch, start the flying ball. Safety Fun Toy for Kids. Suspension Flying Ball keeps your security in multiple ways. World Tech Toys Star Wars The Mandalorian Baby Yoda, the child sculpted head UFO helicopter. Durable constructed material. Master hand/eye coordination. Advanced infrared hover sensor technology. Battery charges with USB charger. Easy to fly. Force 1 Scoot LED hand-operated drone for kids or adults. Hands-free motion sensor mini drone, easy indoor small UFO toy. Flying ball drone toy for boys and girls, green/blue. Ultra bright LED Scoot drone for kids. This hand-operated drone is the ultra-bright version of the original Scoot drone. Enjoy multiple, super bright green and blue LEDs light up this UFO flying toy with every flight. Scoot drone that flips. Place both hands on both sides of the drone.